Identity doesn't fear change, it fears losing orientation. Your identity isn't afraid of becoming someone new. It's afraid of not knowing who you are in between. The hardest part of any upgrade isn't the new version. It's the transition zone where the old pattern is dissolving and the new one hasn't stabilized yet. That in between feels like emptiness, disorientation. Who am I without this? A strange quiet where the chaos used to be. Your nervous system is wired to prefer a painful orientation over no orientation. Predictability means safety, even if it hurts. When someone stops people pleasing, the silence that follows feels like danger. Not because silence is dangerous, but because their entire orientation was built around managing others. So ask yourself, what orientation did this identity give me? Who am I when I'm not performing that role? What new orientation am I willing to anchor into now? Identity rewiring is not becoming someone else. It's stabilizing the version of you that was waiting underneath, you see. Comment anchor if you're in an in-between season. I'm Nora, the Mind Alchemist. I build tools for sensory intuitive minds so they can finally work with their subconscious, not against it. This is the heart of the Inner Rewire protocol. Follow for more, like and share.